The new Metagenics Online makes it easier than ever to make product recommendations to your patients. Simply click the Quick Order button on your practitioner store dashboard and choose Recommendation. Select Add New Patient. Then fill out your patient's first name, last name, and email address. Next, create a title for your recommendation. Then select a product. To add more products, click the green plus sign button. You can add as many products as needed. Under Notes, provide your patient with simple instructions for use. Now your patients can follow your protocols with ease. When you finish, save your recommendation to store in your recommendations archive for quick and easy reference. Your patients will receive notifications about the recommendations you provide, where they can log into your store and check out with the items already placed in their shopping cart. Metagenics Online, offering digital solutions to enhance your practice.